In this video, I'll explain the top 7 self-help ways to stop snoring, to help you sleep and breathe at the same time quietly. These are known as lifestyle changes, and they're sometimes referred to as local management. These are useful ways to stop or reduce snoring and then maintain restorative quality sleep. Number 1, if you're overweight, try to lose weight. We get fat both inwards as well as outwards, and weight around your neck reduces the internal diameter of your airway. When your airway gets narrower, the air that you breathe has to travel faster, and this makes the walls of the airway vibrate. In other words, it makes you snore. Number 2, avoid evening alcohol. Yes, I know drinking alcohol in the evening is exactly when you want to drink it. The reason is alcohol super relaxes your throat, which makes it floppy and prone to vibrate, and you snore. So you have to choose. Number 3, stop smoking. Uh-oh, the same old message. Smoking inflames the tissue of your throat, which makes your airway narrower, so you snore for the same reason I said in number 1. Number 4, get off your back. When you sleep on your back, known as supine, gravity pulls your tongue backwards and narrows the airway in your throat. Your mouth may also open, and as it does so, your jaw moves downwards and backwards, making the airway narrower still. And no, a chin strap is not the answer. There are various ways to train yourself not to sleep on your back. This is known as positional therapy. When sleep apnea is ruled out, snorers may find positional therapy a useful addition to a prescription custom-made oral appliance. For those diagnosed with sleep apnea and using PAP, positive airway pressure therapy, watch the video about prescription treatments further down the page. Positional therapy may reduce the incidence and the length of sleep apneic episodes. Number 5, keep your nose clear. If you can't breathe through your nose, then you open your mouth to breathe. And when your mouth opens, your jaw rotates downwards and backwards, narrowing the airway in your throat. Consequently, the air travels faster and you snore. Additionally, some people find that dairy products may make them stuffy. So think about alternatives perhaps, or just don't use them. Number 6, avoid sedative medication, i.e. sleeping pills and painkillers. Talk to your GP or your pharmacist and discuss alternatives. Number 7, tongue and throat exercises. Some limited evidence exists that throat exercises such as singing and playing a wind instrument may improve throat tissue tone, and that in turn may reduce snoring. Pioneers are developing ways to electrically pulse your tongue or throat either while you sleep or during the day as a daytime therapy.